If the car shows up and it smells like an Indian food place, I'm not going to accept the delivery.
And do you have a co-signer if we need it?
I have my wife, but he doesn't work.
We have him approved, but he doesn't deposit his income to his account, so we can't prove any income with this car.
So what should you do if you have a 550 credit score? Obviously, buy a BMW, silly. Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike, and here we talk about money, cars, avoiding debt, and keeping more of your paycheck. If that sounds good, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment.
BMW X1.
They have $3,000 to $5,000 down. They're looking at payments like under $500 to $600. He's a 580 credit score. We spoke about the rate. He told me if anything's over a 10 to a 12% rate, I'm not signing. I go, brother, you're a 580 credit score.
He's actually a 550, and he's got 2 open autos. So he's a 550, and he's going for a third car without trading one in. He's putting $5,000 down?
Yeah.
I still got him approved. Actually got him a good rate too.
What rate?
16%.
With a third car?
Yeah.
What the It's a clean deal? No steps?
No steps. No. I was able to get this all approved. Just need to make a quick phone call to the bank to get an exception done for the third car. I just wanted to just go over the numbers with you first to make sure we're good with the numbers before I call and get that exception, okay?
What does it mean get an extension for a third car?
Basically, right now, the bank wants you to trade one of those cars in.
My Lincoln Navigator, I'm keeping. My truck, that's a business vehicle.
No, I understand that, but when I submitted it, the approval automatically came back and said, we're not allowing a third car, but I can give a call and say, hey, can you make an exception, allow a third car in his credit? So I just want to make sure that you're good with the numbers.
With a 550 credit score, the last thing you need is a new car. I get comments every once in a while about how credit score doesn't matter. But if you're planning on borrowing in the future, which almost everyone will, it's extremely important. Not only that, but people forget that it might be needed to rent an apartment, and even certain jobs check it before getting hired. So for anyone that says it's not important, I disagree. Let me know in the comments your thoughts.
Truck is a farm vehicle for restaurants.
In other words, what I was just trying to say is that if you're cool with the numbers, I'll make the phone call and I should be able to get it done. You're putting $5,000 down, right?
Yeah.
The payment's $616. That's going to include your sales tax, registration fees, and everything. That's all included in the payment. So give me like 5 minutes. I'm going to make a phone call to the bank, get that exception done, and
give you a bunch of say, well, what if he puts $7,000 down?
Okay.
Or what if he puts $8,000 down? As long as the car that I see in the video is what's going to arrive at my house, I'm down. If the car shows up and it smells like cigarettes or it smells like an Indian food place, I'm not going to accept the delivery. So just be honest with me. Is this car look, and is that what I'm being sold?
you send a video already?
Okay. Send a video, but you know how the videos, I can't smell the car from here.
Yeah, I'll go out, walk out myself, have a second set of eyes on it.
I don't need Bondo on it or dings or scratches. I mean, he said it doesn't. He said it looks good. I just want to make sure what I'm buying is what I think I'm buying.
100%, I get what you're saying.
Okay. Yeah, call the bank. See if you can make it happen because I'm ready to move.
All right, sounds good. Give me 30 seconds. We'll give you a quick call back and wrap it up. We just wrapped up, got the exception done for the third auto on his credit. Hopefully make him a happy customer.
This sounds like a bit of an impulse purchase. He hasn't seen the car and is willing to take a high interest rate for a car we know to be unreliable and expensive to fix. People are willing to pay for the illusion of having money. Who knows, maybe this guy does have some, but with a 550 credit score, it looks like he may be struggling. But hey, at least you'll have a BMW that doesn't smell like Indian food.
You wanted to move forward on the Range Rover, right?
Yeah, like how I explained you like before, that's my credit situation.
Okay.
So I got a repossession here in May, but before that I paid off another car. Everything got a little bit crazy, but I've been working at the same place for 7 years.
Okay.
I do like about 40 to 50 hours a week. I make like around 68 a year.
Okay.
For what they have, my credit score is like 500 something, almost 600.
I can work on it for you. It's not a problem. I just need all the information. What is like the most you have available to put down?
For Friday, I have like 500, so I need to see how much more. I don't know information about paying another car, so I would like to see if I have like the chance to trade in this SUV.
Okay, let me do this. You said you wanted to trade in your SUV, right?
Yes,
And do you owe money on it?
I don't mind. I haven't been paying the car for like a year.
Another Range Rover, another person with bad credit. When I see these luxury cars now, 2 things come to mind, and neither of them are that person has money. It's either that person has bad credit or they're burning cash. It may not always be the case, but why would you want to pretend to have money by throwing it away? It makes no sense. He could save it, invest it, and one day be in a position where he actually has money and doesn't have to pretend.
Okay, gotcha. I'm going to send you a text. Can you just respond to it? Send me your VIN number. What bank is it through?
It's the bank in Phoenix, Arizona.
Okay. You know how much you owe?
The last time I checked, it was around 16, bro.
All right. Send over your VIN number and your mileage, current mileage on the car. I'm going to send you the link to do the credit application, okay?
Sounds good, sir.
And then we'll have you come on down and pick it up, okay?
Okay, that's perfect.
And do you have a co-signer if we need it?
I have my wife, but she doesn't work.
Is her credit score better?
Yeah, the credit score should be better than mine.
All right, do me a favor. If you have her info, make sure you guys fill out both, okay? This way, if I need her, I'll use her.
Okay, yeah.
All right, go ahead and fill that out. I'm going to text it to you right now.
All right, okay.
Thank you. They're looking to buy a Range Rover and trade in a GMC Acadia. Hopefully we can make a deal happen.
If you need your wife to co-sign to buy a Range Rover, you can't afford a Range Rover. He likely didn't do much research on these vehicles because if he did, he'd know they were money pits. They are horribly unreliable and very expensive to fix. That seems to be what you buy nowadays if you have no money and bad credit. The most expensive luxury car you can get approved for with whatever interest rate they throw at you.
We have him approved, but he doesn't deposit his income to his account, so we can't prove any income with this car. So we're going to see if we can make it happen.
He doesn't have access to his Plaid account. Doesn't have a way to connect.
What bank does he have?
What bank do you use?
Maybe that's the reason why it's not connecting?
Because is that one yet? Is that where you get your checks deposited, like on a monthly basis?
Nah, I can get a check, like a paper check.
Oh, like a check, cashier's check?
Nah, just cash.
So there's no money going into the credit union that you just told me? Because that's what the bank was going to go check for. All right, give me a quick second. I'm going to keep working on it and see what I can do, okay? I'll give you a call back. All right.
I'm working on getting you approved here. I have two banks. The one that approved you with the $1,500 down, they want to see some sort of income coming in to your bank account. Sounds like you get your income through Cash App though, right?
Yeah, like.
You have to wonder how two banks can approve this guy and he doesn't even deposit his money into his accounts. It sounds very irresponsible and risky. If you don't know what Cash App is, it's a mobile payment app for sending and receiving money between users, which I'm sure can be useful, but it doesn't replace a bank. So he cashes his checks instead of depositing them. Now I'm going to go on a limb here and guess that he's not tracking his spending, which everyone should do.
A little bit like haircuts and stuff. Like, I just connected the new job I just got.
How long have you been working there?
Got like,
3 checks already? Okay, gotcha. Do you have somebody that can co-sign with you?
probably not, but I can't ask around and see.
Yeah, ask around. We're very close to a deal. The problem is that they're going to want to see a little bit more employment history. If you could set up direct deposit, that'll always help because it just shows lenders that you're actually getting that money. They don't take Cash App. Cash App's not really like a checking account.
Yeah, I know, so that's why I was like, you got to the big and the more thing.
We run into that a lot. A lot of our clients have Cash App. Let's do this. Ask around for a co-signer. Let me know what you come up with, and we'll see if we still have the car available, okay? Appreciate it. We get them approved, but they can't prove their income, so it's tough, but can't make every single deal.
When I first decided to be more responsible with money, I went back and looked at my bank account records, my credit cards, and it can be shocking to see how much you're actually spending without even really realizing it. Eating out, Amazon, and even that daily coffee really adds up. I've cut out almost everything I was wasting my money on, and it's been the best choice I've ever made. I make my coffee at home, I cook all my own meals, and I don't waste money on things I don't need. I'm going to end the video here and ask you to hit that like and subscribe button. Drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
If the car shows up and it smells like an Indian food place, I'm not going to accept the delivery.
And do you have a co-signer if we need it?
I have my wife, but she doesn't work.
We have him approved, but he doesn't deposit his income to his account, so we can't prove any income with this car.